As many of you know, I typically try to be energetic and entertaining in all the videos our team makes for Custom Offsets, even the simple updates to our current giveaways, but today I wanted to actually keep things a bit more serious. People who have been following Custom Offsets for a long time know that we do giveaways all the time, and you might even know that we're doing one right now. But what we haven't shared with you before is that last month we lost one of our own. Connor is a member of the Custom Offsets staff who struggled with depression and mental health and tragically lost his battle in October of this year, leaving behind 2 young sons. At the end of all these giveaways, we always make a contribution to some sort of charity that we genuinely care about. This year alone, we've already awarded and donated over $100,000 in funds and prizes to charities that support the brave men and women who serve in our military, organizations that help kids with cancer, organizations that have a strong impact on the fight against breast cancer, as well as teams that benefit police officers, firefighters, and all of our first responders. Not only was Connor an important member of our team, but prior to working with us, he also served locally as a police officer and dispatcher. I too was working in law enforcement before coming to Custom Offsets, and have had to deal with seeing things that no one wants to see and working with people in crisis, and this is still very difficult for me to share with all of you now. I simply cannot imagine the pain that his family is in. This tragedy greatly affected all of us at the shop, and we want to make a difference, not just for Connor, but for his kids, his family, and anyone who is struggling. You never know what demons someone is battling. We want to make sure there are resources for anyone who needs help, and the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention does that. If you want to donate, we would love your help in making as large of a donation as possible. In return, and as a way to say thank you, we've created a t-shirt that we will send out to you, as well as automatically enter you for a chance to win up to $2,500 lift kit from Rough Country. If you or someone you know needs help, please reach out. There are so many people willing to help you. Even the strongest of people, or the people who smile so often, can be fighting their own battle. Thank you.